Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am going to try to get this video up today if I can. I'm having a terrible time with our internet. I may transfer this to my phone and try to upload it that way. I've tried a couple of different technologies. For those of you who don't know, we got hit by lightning right beside our house this weekend. We have been praying and praying and praying for rain. We are so happy. We're going to have more rain this week, but the last weekend's or this past weekend and week's rain came from the south, which meant it came off the Gulf. And with it came some really bad lightning storms, like literally houses were hit a town over. They caught on fire. It was just horrible. And as close as one of the lightning strikes was to our house, um, yeah, it's kind of scary. And of course, our house is surrounded by trees. We're surrounded by farm fields, so you know that's all open. And then we have cattle pastures on the other side of our house, and that's fairly open. But when the gentleman built this house, he and his son planted a lot of trees, especially pecan trees. So there are some that are surround the house, not a lot, but some. And then we had, when we first moved here, we had a small orchard, but due to drought and things like that, we lost 2 or 3 trees. And so I guess we do qualify still as a small orchard, but you know. Anyways, and we haven't had pecans for a long time, but it looks like this year, praise God, with all the prices the way they are, we're going to have pecans, which is a big deal when you're vegetarian. So I literally grind them up and chop them up, and I don't grind them, but I chop them up and I use them like in my spaghetti sauce like meat, but I don't use as many because you can't eat as much. And wow, they are so good. I literally made eggplant from our garden lasagna this weekend, and we have the second, because when I make one, I'll make 2 big, huge casserole dishes. And because just my husband, my daughter, and I, we can eat on that for like 2 meals. And anyways, I made eggplant lasagna from our garden, and it was so stinking good. And so I put pecans, or I think I put walnuts in that one. But so you basically take like a handful and you put it in for the whole casserole, which is like 6 to 7 servings. So I mean, it's not bad. You're only getting probably like your tablespoon of walnuts in each dish, but for each serving, I mean. So anyways, but we're thrilled when we get pecans because I've got tons of pesto to put up for the winter. I always grow my own basil, and I've done that forever since we moved here. I've made my own pesto since long before we ever moved here. So, and I make it, and I make a thicker pesto, and then I put it up. I freeze it in little, quart-sized Ziploc bags, and then I put them inside a, gallon, and I just stack them up like little pancakes, and then we pull them out one at a time, and we get ready to eat. We just let one sit overnight in the fridge or out on the counter for if it's cool out for, a few hours. And then we just add it to our lasagnas. I do all kinds of stuff with pesto. I make a greens pesto pasta. I make a stuffed greens pesto, what do you call them? Acorn squash. I do all kinds of stuff. I make, of course, pesto lasagnas. I remember a girlfriend came over one time and I had regular lasagna and homemade pesto lasagna, and she still talks about it. That was probably, I don't know, 10 years ago. I mean, she just cracks me up. So anyways, it's all good. But so we just have this crazy weather, and I mean, part of me would be horribly sad if lightning struck a tree by our house, but if it saved our house, yeah, I mean, we'd have to be realistic here. So but that lightning that hit close to the house, it knocked out our dishwasher. My husband just fixed that. Praise God. We cannot afford another appliance. And, I mean, our stove and oven hasn't worked for years. Stove is barely hanging on. And, oh, goodness, it's just crazy. But we are thankful for everything we have. And if everything were to go out, we would make a way, find a way. We have a wood stove in the basement that if I had to cook, I could go down there and cook. And there's always a fireplace. I mean, we're not without resources. So, anyways, and we do have the mini house out in the field that, though we shouldn't hook it up, we do have the ability to hook it up. And if we had to go out there and cook, I could go out there and cook. So, there's always kinds of things like that we have backups, but are they convenient? No. Would it be great if they were? Yes. So, sorry, my phone just went off. So today I wanted to share with you a kit that I got from Tangerine. I have been doing some of her free online workshops this I guess they've been in the summer. She has them intermittently. But if you are interested, get on her mailing list because she's such a gem and she's so sweet and she's so real. She's just joy. So this is the kit I received in the mail. Now I want to go through this and I want to share some things. So it arrived to me in a plastic envelope, which definitely saves on shipping and price and everything else. But unfortunately, and I haven't even opened this yet, it came wrinkled. So oh, that's pretty. The stickers and the page came wrinkled. So I immediately reached out and I said, you know, I just want you guys to know I tried to straighten it and I did, but it's pretty well, you know, torched. So they are resending me a new page. They're cutting it up to put it in cardboard. And I just told them, I said, just as an FYI, and I didn't expect them to replace it, but they did, of course. They were amazingly sweet. And anyways, and some of the stickers have some damage. It's hard to see it, but they're there. So they're resending me. And I really appreciate that. So that speaks a lot to their character and to her character. And I just really appreciate them. I had seen online where other people's kits came damaged. And of course we have a P.O. box, so there wasn't a do not bend on the envelope, and there wasn't cardboard to keep it stiff. So of course, what did they do? They shoved it in. So anyways, but it is really beautiful. This is definitely some of her work. This is from Picnic in the Park. And I mean, I didn't even recognize it had come torn. So, and the back of that is really beautiful too. So there's that. And let's see. Ooh. Oh, I had seen we were going to get some of these little envelope stickers. Yay, I love that. So this is for her class that I'm going to be taking. It starts tomorrow, the second Tuesday in September. I'm super excited, and it goes every Tuesday for the next, till the end of September. So 4 more weeks. So I'm super excited, and I love these. I have seen these online, and these are so stinking cute. I love the 2 little birds. They're so sweet. And this is from her Picnic in the Park. Is that this line? I can't remember. I just said it a minute ago, but we'll find it again. Hold on. I think it'll say it on here. Let me see. This is from her... Whoops. Trying not to get that paper to fall. It is... Well, I thought it said it on here. I guess it's... Is it Picnic in the Park? Anyways, it's that particular paper line that she has out. These are charming, and it's not her fault about the shipping, and it's not, I mean, they're correcting that, but it's not her fault that they put everything in where they did. So, anyways, oh, there's another thing in there. I almost missed it. Okay. Ooh, presents. Okay, so let's open this up really quick so I can let you guys go. But if you guys are signed up for this class, say hi, and that way we'll know we're in there together. I love it when I go into these classes, and some of y'all are like, hey, Chris, or hey, Kay. Some of y'all call me Kay. Craft a life you love. I had heard her say she was putting that in there. That is so sweet. I love it. Well, I guess I could take it out of the plastic. You guys could probably see it better. I was putting craft and life in one word. I do that lately. I don't know what it is, but I think that is charming. So it's a pin. So I love that. And then the heart with the rainbow. So pretty. Okay, and now this, I know exactly what this is. And I love that they use Christmas tape. I think that is hilarious. And I'm doing tons and tons of Christmas journals, or 21 or 25 days of Christmas. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this off and I'm going to save it. I am going to literally use this tape in all the projects. I'm just sticking it to the tablecloth right now because, you know, this tablecloth is already shot and it is a vinyl backed tablecloth. So I am, yeah, I'm doing tons of Christmas projects, cards for the troops, all of that. So, yeah, why throw away a freebie, right? Oh, no, I just tore it, but that's okay. You know what? I think I just have it too long. So, anyways, but I think this is so funny. And I can't believe they wrapped it in such a way that I could actually salvage it. I don't know. I think the gal who works for her's name is Ashley, or that's who I've, you know, like emailed with before. And I think it is so funny. If she did this, that is so cute. All right, I know I'm wasting your time. Let me hurry, hurry, hurry. I can't see the end. Oh, come on. The other came off, so there it is. I think that's it. Oh, if not, I'm going to create a new end. All right, there we go. Okay. Anyways, so, yep, that was kind of an end for one I created. All right. Oy. Oh, they taped it front to back on this. Look at that. It's front to back. Ooh, okay. But I saved it. All right. Man, wire crafters, we are so cheap. Have you ever noticed this in life? And you know what really cracks me up is I'll be in classes and people will get their items. I just dropped that, but that's all right. They'll get their items and they'll show how they salvaged all, well, like what I'm doing. And I just thought, I always think, oh, it's so good. You're my people. I do the same thing. It's always nice to know when somebody else is as cheap as you are. So anyways, all right, I have enough of it undone. I can get it out. And I have tons of washi tape for Christmas projects, which I'm super happy. That was an extra bonus, right? All right, I knew that was in there. So, I love Amy Tangerine and I love supporting her. And so this was a fun thing to get in the kit. And she is such a sweet, sweet gal. And, yeah. So I think this is fun. And then here is her watercolor kit, which obviously we're going to be watercoloring in the class. So let me see here. Here's how it opens. And it comes with a water little thing that you have to poke a hole to put it in. I'll do that tomorrow. Anyways, and then you have a spout. So you just have to cut the tip off of the spout, and then you have water you can take with you. And then you have a little sponge. And hold on, let me see if I can do this without totally, yep, there we go. And then you have a pen. Ooh, that's a nice nib, I like that. And let's see, does it say what it is? It's a 0.5. And then you have a pencil, an HB pencil. So that's nice. And I don't see the number on the HB, but that's okay. This is trash, that can be thrown away. It comes with paints, watercolors, a watercolor brush, which I can always use watercolor brushes, and then a nice palette. So super, super cute, 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 neat kit. I think that this is going to be a fun class. And then, of course, it came with a Amy Tangerine craft signature. So I'm super excited. I think this is going to be fun. I don't know where, I think this is up. There we go. So it should be a really fun class. And no matter what, Amy is always such a sweetheart. It should be fun anyway. So if you're going to be in that class, say hello. I'd love to say hi back. And it's always fun to have a running mate in these classes because, I don't know about you, but when you're in these classes, it's really fun online. I love them online, and I love them in person as well, but I usually end up going to these things alone, and every now and then it'd be nice to have somebody I know. So if you're in there, say hi. I'd love to say hi back, and then we can talk to each other about our projects if you want to, or encourage each other, whatever you want to do. So anyways, all right, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, go to Amy Tangerine. I think it's amytangerine.com. If not, just Google her name. In that particular website, it'll take you to the online classes, and you can go there and sign up for the class. And it's not too late. You may not get the kit, but if you ordered it now, you can have it in a week and you'd be okay. You could catch up, and or you can do the class without the kit, I think, if I remember right. So anyways, and a lot of us have big stashes, so it's not a big deal. But anyways, okay, I said anyways about 10 times. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, you can tell I'm on a time crunch here for my other class with Dan Reevely. So, all right, friends, I pray that your day is blessed. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share this if this would encourage anybody else, this video. And most importantly, thanks for being here. I so appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm so glad you're here today. And I hope this encouraged you. And that's what this channel is about. So, all right, friends, y'all be good. Be safe. And love y'all. Take care. Bye.